How to fix Zapier Formatter step returning empty output. In this video, I will teach you how to fix a Zapier Formatter step that keeps returning an empty output. So first thing you need to do is to go to the website zapier.com and log in using your account. And once you log in, you will be automatically redirected to the home page of Zapier, wherein all you have to do is to locate right here on the left sidebar the assets. Go ahead and click on that. The next thing you have to do is to click on Zaps right here. And then once you're in, all you have to do is to open the Zap where the formatter step is giving you an empty result. Go ahead and click on that. Then go to the specific formatter step and click on it. Most of the time, empty output happens because the input field is either blank, mapped incorrectly, or you're formatting something that doesn't exist in the previous steps. So all you have to do is to check the field mapping under input, which is right here. Make sure that this is not empty, and it's pulling data from the correct previous step. For example, if you're formatting text but the trigger didn't pass any text, the formatter has nothing to work with. The next thing you have to do is to click on continue right here once you've checked, and then click on retest step right here. Confirm it actually fetched sample data. If the sample is empty, update the trigger by pulling in real data or selecting a different sample record. Then you can retest the formatter again. Now, if you're using a text formatter, make sure that your transform type fits the input. For example, using the extract text, which is right here on the setup, using a text to be extracted on a field with no text involved will cause empty output. You can change the transform or double check the field. So you can change it by clicking on right here on which one you want to work with. It can be date or time, number, text, or utilities. Now for the date and time, you can verify the data and its date format from the previous step that matches the format Zapier expects. Now after doing all of those things, you can test the formatter step again. If it still shows empty output, you can scroll down and check for extra spaces, missing fields, or functions that don't apply to the data that you're using. And once it works, all you have to do is to text or test the next step to confirm the corrected output is passing through. Now after everything runs smoothly, make sure that your Zap is turned on by going back to the Zaps and then turning on the status that you have right here. And now the data is flowing from the trigger all the way to the action without blank step. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.